Okay, so hello everyone, welcome back to my live trading today. Okay, so today is a very surprising stream because I just watched the calendar and I realized that today is Friday 13. Yeah, it seems like this is the unlucky day, isn't it? And that's the reason why I want to again we have another live trading together on this special day. Yeah, let's break it down. Actually, that's every Friday. The market will be very volatile. Yeah, every Friday and Monday. So many traders only trade on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday only. Okay, so yeah, we will get started now. And you can see on the chart that there is a trend line here that indicates for the current downtrend at the moment. And I'm open 1 hour time frame for you to watch it for the daily plan. Okay, 1 hour time frame so that we can identify the current market trend that is followed in the day. Okay, and this is where we had a very long candle wick here. So at the bright zone 3407. Okay, 3407 here. And yeah, it's moving near to the trend line and it's under the bearish pressure at the moment. Okay, hello my friends, hello. Okay, thank you very much for joining in my stream so on time. Now today market is kind of challenging for Nova. You know that there's unexpected signals that it's against to my analysis. But don't worry, for the journey for more than 8 years that I'm very get used to it. Yeah, I get used to it already. So just follow the risk management lessons that we can protect the capital and also our profit. Okay. Friday 13 is a very special day for anyone believe in spiritual things. But yeah, we know that it is an unlucky day, so we need to be raise our attention and also our alert for the market. Okay, so let's go back to the smaller time frame to see the detailed price movement. Okay, and now I'm opening the 5-minute time frame here. Okay, and it seems like the market is moving sideways at the moment. Here, as the triangle box, rectangle. Yeah, this rectangle box, and there's trend line that's forced the bearish that make the candles is going down. And I just heard that there's a flight accident. Airplane accident in India, so I'm very feel sorry for people, for Indian, because for your loss. Yeah, that's a very terrible accident, right? And I wish that they will rest in peace, and very sincerely so sorry for your loss. And also there's another news about war in the Middle East. Yeah, the geopolitical tensions is very stressful, right? It's increasing stress every single day. So that's it, the reason why for the support for the bearish of gold yesterday and until today Asian session. Okay, Okay guys, as usual, so we will have the real-time trading scalping signal at the moment. Okay, so are you ready? Comments ready for me? Let me know that all of you are ready for me to trade real time with me. Okay, so this is the entry zone for us to have another sell scalping signal at the entry zone 18 to 20. 18 to 20. And we will follow the trend line effect. Yes, and with confluence with the EMA. Now we will bet the buy sell scalping signal with the market. Okay, because previous one that VIP members already have another sell signal at this entry. Okay, and now I just published my stream today, so I decided to have another sell scalping signal at the same entry zone. Okay, it's at yeah, we have entry 19. We have entry 19, and let's see. And the previous time at this entry zone, that's this signal for game for about 40 pips profit. 40 pips profits for the first round. And this is the second round for this entry zone. Yeah, I set up the sell signal first round here. And this is the second time I decided to trade again. Oh. Okay, let's see that the trend line support us for the bearish or not. Okay, so anyone in the entry 20? Yeah, so we have enough entry zone, so don't enter it anymore. Okay, don't enter too much entry for each signal. Yeah, okay, so we have enough entry zone for you. Okay, and as always, good luck. Okay, let's see. Let me zoom it out to see it clearly. It's nearly 20 pips from the entry 20, everyone. Yeah, this is the big bullish engulfing candles, and it touched to the 20 entry zone. Yeah, entry zone 20, and now it's dropping around 20 pips. Okay, hello Mike, hello Bear, hi Reddit, hello Sagar, hello. So yeah, I hope that you did not miss my scalping signal at the moment. Okay, so we have already 20 pips for today London session. Hello Abdul. Yeah, I just started my stream just about 10 minutes, and now we have the sell scalping signal at the entry zone 20 to 18. Yeah, it's now dropping. Okay, 30 pips for all of us. Have a magic. Okay, thank you very much for your compliments, Bear. Yeah, you're very hardworking, right? And thank you so much for joining in my live stream so on time. And yes, we have the first gift of today. 30 pips is running. Okay, so consider closing a part of your trade and hold the rest for the further take profit. Yeah, we should learn by heart for this lesson, and it's super easy for you, right? And this time we trade real time together, so watch the chart closely. Okay, now we need you to follow the charts closely so we have the real-time actions. It's back to the very strong resistance, strong bullish momentum again. Okay, so let's say that this trend line protect us or not. So go, yeah, because I am a fan of trend. Okay, trend is our friend, you know. So let's see what this. Okay, so 20, yeah. Now the markets have the reactions at the trend line. Okay, and I'm observing the chart in the 5-minute time frame, so you can see the candles moving quickly. Hello, Muhan. Oh, you better close early. Okay, thank you for your opinion. Thank you very much. Okay. So now it's having the reaction as did the trend line. Okay. Oh, the candles is already close above the trend line, right? Yeah. Okay, for this trade that we have temporary 30 pips, and I will have another better entry zone for you for the sell scalping signal again. Okay, so if anyone still hold this, you can manage the rest of the volume by yourself. Okay, and I will have another setup for you around this zone, 25 to 23. Okay, 25 to 23. This one will be another sell area for us. Sorry, let me revise the 30. Okay, 30. Yeah. This is another setup for us today. This is the crossover of the two EMA 8 and 34. Okay. Yeah, now it's have the current bearish reaction. It's like a testing, retest the trend line again. But this candles it already have the big bullish engulfing, and yeah, the body of this candles is already close above the trend line. So this is kind of signal for the buyers. Okay, grab the wick. After we grab that wick, we come down with it. The first setup. If you still hold the trade, I advise you to close it, because we will have another better entry zone at the 25 to 23. Okay, so let's see. This time we trade real time together, and this is the second round. Actually, this is the second round for this sell signal. So yeah, I just prefer the small profit. Small profit. Okay. Hello Muhan, is 34.28 is your stop loss? Okay, so 28 is just fine. Okay, waiting. Yes, it's better for the good position. Yeah, position is very important for us, for any scalpers. Okay, and for this sell zone, I would like to revise a bit about the stop loss for you. Yeah, I narrow it a bit. Yeah, make the distance closer. So anyone close the first signal? Anyone? Because today is Friday, and another thing is the 13th, Friday 13th. So safety is the first, right? Safety is first. So for the small profits, that's better for us to trade. And this is just a temporary adjustment of the market right after the strong bullish momentum from yesterday until today Asian session. Oh, you buy from 16. Yeah, that's a very good signal. So the market will always have two opinions, buy or sell. Okay, another one support for the buyers, and another one support for sellers. So yeah, I don't give any judgment about anyone's opinion or the decision. Yeah, that's your choice, and congratulations to everyone if you trade in profit. Okay, you have profits, that is the best. No matter how technical you use, no matter how tools, no matter how indicators, your analysis, your trading methods follow, as long as you have profits, that's better for you. That's the best for you. Okay, so it's moving nearly to our entry zone at 25 to 23. Okay, 5 pips left. 5 pips left. All right, yeah, we have the 24. We have 24 entry zone. We have 24 entry already. And for any signals that you decided to do not enter too much trade. Okay, do not enter too much trade. Most of it, about 3 is the most number, is the biggest number of the trade. Okay, Bear. Yeah, we're in. We're in. Let's see. And yes, the price is having the support from war news. Okay, war is happening in the Middle East, and the status is very it extended the tensions. Yeah. Okay, 25 entry zone already available. Remember to set stop loss from every trade you are in. And if you hit enough the entry zone, okay, don't do it anymore. Okay, so let's take a look at the Forex Factory a bit. Oh yes, as the same, I have the predictions yesterday. Yeah, I had a prediction yesterday, and based on the CPI core CPI data was red, and continuously that the PPI will continuously in red either, right? And this is the very negative for USD, and it's support for the bullish, for the buyers of gold, and confluence with the war news in the Middle East. Okay, and gold price increasing steadily, sharply yesterday until today London Asian session. And in London session, it just have the current adjustment, yeah, temporary adjustment from the gold price at the moment. And so on, prelim consumer sentiment, will it continues another red news? Yeah, if it continues to red again, which means the US economic is kind of not good and the inflation is increasing. Okay. Okay guys, that we nearly have, yeah, let's say nearly 20 pips for this time. Can we make it? The first 20 pips? Okay, price is still moving. You know that the buyer and the seller still conflict all the time, and right before I have streamed with you that the market have already the strong momentum previously, and now we need some patience to wait. Okay, so do you still hold your breath? Hold your breath for this trade. And guys, thank you very much for joining in my live trading today, and don't forget to like the stream, like the video, and subscribe me on YouTube. That will be the that will be the positive energy for me to set up more and more qualified scalping signal for all of you again. Now the market is scaring us, right? It always do go against before it follows our analysis. It seems like moving slowly. Let's see a smaller time frame, like 1 minute. Okay. Break the trend lines, but based on this is a reliable resistance zone that I can choose it for the sell scalping signal. There's a crossover EMA here with the trading volume at this area. Okay, so just bet with the market. Yeah, you can see that there's a big volume trading here. Okay, so isn't it interesting when we watch in 1 minute time frames, everything moves quickly. Yeah, so even the candles big engulfing candles here, right? Okay, so it continues the bearish. Okay, let me move it closer. You know that it's stuck between the box. Yeah, it's just moving up and down from this box. So annoyed. Oh, hello Toshina. Thank you very much for your compliments. And I hope that we all together have profit from the market. Every time we trade is another time for us to have the experience for ourselves. So we can learn it, we can remember it, because we trade real time, right? And you should write down your like diary. Yeah, trading diary. It's better to have it. The market is challenging our patience. Our patience. Did I scare you? So sorry for this. Why we could be scared? Why shouldn't we like this? Just go up a bit, go down a bit, and then go up again. So in the London session, you know, sometimes the price will be moved slowly. Okay, because today is unexpected stream. Yeah, it did not in my plan in the beginning, actually. But when I watch in the calendar, I realized that, oh, wow, Friday 13. Okay, so I decided to spend 1 hour with you, okay, to have another feeling, another experience about trading on the special day like this. Mm. 34.26. Yeah, it just hit 34.26, but now it's coming back. I'm observing the two charts at the same time. One is on TradingView, as you can see on the screen, and one is on my phone. And there is this difference between the spread, you know, because any brokers that have a different spread. Now the market's moving sideways again. So annoyed. Every time I have stream with you on the London session, the market will be sideways, right? And even in the New York, sometimes in the New York session, it will be the same scenario as well. Okay, so I'm considered to change my stream in the in the New York session. It's better for me to trade with you. Okay, and this is, as you can see on the 1 minute time frame on the chart, that this is the conflict between the buyers and the sellers. So we need to manage our trading volume so well, okay, to reduce any risk may happen. Okay, never do it carelessly. Remember, never do it carelessly. And please don't say, Nova, I trust you 100%, so I all in for this trade. Oh, come on, please don't. I could be sad if I heard it. Yeah, New York session is good. So I will coming back to next week, right? Next week. And I will reveal with you that at the end of the weekend. Yeah, like Sunday, we will have another stream with you to share our plan about weekly trading plan. Weekly trading plan. No, France. I'm in France. Yeah, even though that I have the Asian ancients, you know that my parents are from two nationality, so I follow the Asian ancient. I don't know why, but my ancient is kind of Asian. I try to practice to follow the European, but it's kind of hard for me, so I just follow nature. So I do not much surprising if you always ask me that, do I Chinese or do I Indonesian? No, sorry, I'm just living in France, and my parents have from two nationality. And I believe that ancient is not important as long as I have the qualified scalping signal for you from every stream. Yeah, that's it, the best purpose I want to follow. Any advice and tips for a beginner? Okay, if you are a new one and I'm not sure that you are already invest to any financial assets or not. If you are new, totally new about this financial market, especially gold, the first thing you need to prepare is about the basic knowledge. Okay, the basic context of this market and how you calculate the profit and loss match with the volume trading you do. And the next thing, that your psychology. Psychology. If you are new, 100% fresher, you can try the demo. The demo account. Okay, so you get familiar with the trading platforms, the orders, pending orders, market orders. Okay, so you just get familiar to the platforms, trading platform first, and then when you feel confident, you can try to deposit small account, small trading account first, and then just develop gradually. And there are some basic knowledge about this field, so you can watch my short videos I uploaded on my YouTube channel, so that you can have another point of view and your lessons Yeah, you can understand the lessons briefly and effectively. And about the basic knowledge is about pips, loss, spread, yeah, the orders, limit orders, pending orders, market orders. Okay, how you use the trading platforms. Yeah, something like that. And you need to try it on the demo account first. And when you get used to familiar to use with it, you can try the live trading account. Yeah. Hello, Teddy. Yes, you can see on the chart that I'm only open one indicator and trend line, right? Indicators, I'm using EMA. Okay, and I use it confluence with the trend line, resistance, support zone. Yes, and those are my basic knowledge, basic analysis, and I use that as the combo, and I call them Nova Magic from all of my scalping signal. Okay, now the markets choose the bearish already. Yay! Our first 20 pips for the second signal. Okay, so it takes time, right? Okay, now I'm feeling good again. So today I do not encourage you to hold for long profit, okay, to hold any trade for big profit, because the market is very challenging, especially on Friday, and confluence with 13. That's a very unlucky number. So if we can profit, just even though it's just a bit small, we can protect it. Yes. It's the better than nothing. Small better than nothing. You know that sometimes 20 pips is so hard to find. Yeah. Especially in the time like this. And I understand that you're willing in making money in this field, but we need to have a calm mindset and also the stable psychology. And if you want to follow the swing trading, yeah, just choose the buy, follow the buyers. Yeah, because I believe that the market is still under the news of current war, Eastern War, and the current bad news about the US economy. You see that the market, yeah, it's just coming back to the entry zone again after it just gained 20 pips, and yeah, it turned back to the box. Okay, so next time I will decided to have a stream on the New York session with you. That time the market will move quickly. Okay, and we can manage all the trade fast. And I really do not prefer to trade when the market's moving sideways like this. So anyone still hold this buy scalping signal at my previous time setup with you at the top price zone 33.11? Yeah, last Thursday or Friday, I do not remember. I don't remember the time, but I still remember the entry zone we in. 33.11. Yes, Friday. Yeah, last week we have a buy scalping signal at the entry zone 33.11. In the 1 minute time frames, the bearish the candles is like a doji one with the thin body. Yeah, so this is the conflict area of the buyers and sellers. The market didn't choose the specific size. Yeah, they're still in consideration. But now I usually call this time in the resting time. Yeah, the break time for the sharks. Sharks only hunting right after the news release. So you can see that yesterday and on Wednesday there are big engulfing candles, right? Just 15 minutes, the price can be moved with a range about 20 price zone. So that time the sharks is hunting us. And if we can catch where is the sharks hunt, yeah, we will have the bait from the sharks. But yeah, if we do against the analysis, you know, we will be the bait of the sharks as well. Alright, so it's just coming back to the entry zone again. Okay, so let's take a look for another currency pair, everyone. Meanwhile waiting. So the first pair I choose is USD CAD. Okay, we will change a bit. Meanwhile waiting the markets run. Gold markets run. Let's go back. 1 hour. Okay, I usually trade for the currency pair. I choose 1 hour time frame to trade. This is at the downtrend at the moment. So yeah, this is the temporary recover of the USD CAD, and it seems like at the bottom. Okay, let's take a look for the daily time frames. So it's already at the previous base here. Okay, so as you can see that this is the support zone for CAD, USD CAD, so I think that it's a good signal for you to set up a buy here. Okay. Bear, you're holding at 25. Okay, just remember to set the stop loss at 28 only. Hello, Capybara. got me $25 and 0.1. Oh, you only have $250, and as my calculation, the maximum volume that you should open for each trade is just around 0.05. Okay, 0.05. You need to understand the structure, the mathematics. Okay, let's go back. I'm not sure that you all of you already know the math about how to calculate the profit of gold. Let's go back to 1 minute. Okay, so today I will instruct you, because I realized that there are new new friends joining in my stream today. Okay, so on this stream, I will instruct you how to have the easiest way to remember. Sorry. Okay, so I'm just come back. Yeah, I will instruct you the easiest way for you to remember the profit and loss, okay, relative with your trading volume. If you enter any trade for one lot, profit or loss is about $100. Okay, when the price is moving $1, and 0.1 is 10 for a price. Okay, and this will be $1. Okay, remember this. This is the easiest way for you to remember how we calculate the profit and loss for each price moving. Okay, and one lot is huge. Okay, and if your capital is around $250 it just the lots should be, the trading volume should be between 0.02, okay, between capital four. Yeah, this is the maximum. And yeah, and in my advice that you should not follow the biggest volume in the beginning. You just trade with the micro lots first. Yeah, trade with the micro lots first. Okay, so it just came back to 23. Yeah, 20 pips again, and okay, forget it. The market is just moving sideways, and just forget it. Yeah, you can take a screenshot for this, and it will help you to calculate it easily and quickly. Hello Q80. Okay, you can click to the link that I put in the description box, and yes, I have the link about my Telegram community. so that you can join in, subscribe in, and yeah, everything is free on my Telegram community. And if you want to join in my VIP community, you can send me a direct message, and so that I can instruct you how to join in. Yeah, the fee is not too expensive. It's just around $50 for 1 month. And guys, the market is just moving sideways, and I do not recommend you to re-enter this sell zone because it have reactions 4 times already at the price zone 25.5 as on the trading view. So yeah, if you already closed this trade for around 20 pips, I have congratulations with you. But if you still miss, okay, let's wait for another scalping signal, and I will set up another thing when I feel that the market is support for my analysis. Okay, and anyone still hold the trade, you can consider to close a part for this, because now you can see that even 1 minute time frame, the market is moving sideways, and the narrowed the price zone is very narrowed. Yeah, you can see that again it have a reaction at the zone 25.5. So now it's like a purple. This zone is like a purple. Yeah, and not good for sell signal anymore. Okay, so I just share with you that again, this is the place not good for the sell signal again. Yeah, so anyone missed that, I did not recommend you to re-enter again. The price zone is kind of narrowed. It's just about 2 price, and yeah, the market's kind of taking a rest at the moment before it choosing the specific side. RSI, yeah, I use RSI parallel with EMA. Yeah, but on my stream, most of it I will share with you about EMA trading method, because it's kind of easy for you to understand. And about the RSI, you need to compare to the pattern that the market form, the structure, and it's kind of difficult. Yeah, RSI is the advanced knowledge about the trading analysis, technical analysis. And because on my stream, on my YouTube, there's a lot of freshers, and I do not want to share any difficult knowledge that you cannot understand well about it in the first time. So I choose the most basic one. Yeah, the basic and simple, so that everyone can understand it quickly. MACD, yeah, MACD is also another indicators that I refer. You know that there's a lot of indicators in the many methods. Yeah, many methods. But just focus on your trading system. Yeah, choose the thing that you feel it suitable for you, the best suitable for you, and you feel it easy for you to use. Okay, and you can focus on it. Don't learn too much. It will be very, very difficult for you to identify which is the best for you to trade. It's kind of sleepy if we trade here at this time for this entry zone, right? June 30. Oh, 2 hours later, 2 hours ago, there's the big engulfing. The market is under the bearish pressure from the trend line here. It dropped quickly around 20 price. 20 price. You can see that we cannot let our guard down even in the early Asian session, right? Oh, this is the beginning of the London session. Yeah, the market is under the selling pressure, was under the selling pressure, and now it's recovered to the previous top. So this could be, yeah, the very reliable support zone for us. And if you want to receive my free scalping signal, you can refer to my gold trading plan I upload to YouTube and Telegram community every single day. And on weekend, I also prepare for the BTC analysis and also the weekly trading plan for gold. This is a triangle that the market chooses the sideways here. Rectangle. Yeah, as this zone. You can say that the price zone is just around two price. Yeah, from the top to the bottom, and now it's stuck in the rectangle box. Let's see for this candle, how far is it? How far is it? This is another bearish engulfing candles. It's from a wick also. Okay, it's just from a wick. Okay, hello Q80. I received your message and I will reply to you immediately I finish my stream. Thank you very much for leaving the message to me. It seems like the market very hate the level of 22, 23.5. four times hit, but it cannot break down. Okay, about 20 seconds left. Twenty seconds, 10. Thank you. Okay, so let's say the market for these candles. It turned to green again. Come on. Today was about PPI. Oh, friends, today is Friday and PPIs were released yesterday. You can say that this is Forex calendar, and yesterday, Thursday, the PPI were released already, and it was red news, negative for USD, and this support for the bullish of gold. Okay, yay! Okay, so come on, I'm about to off my stream, and yes, we gain another 10 pips again. Okay, so yeah, every single time I trade with you in the London session, the market always be in sideways, and when I about to close it to end my stream, that it's dropped. Finally it's moving, yeah, but just a bit, and now it turned into the box again. Yeah, it tend to turn back to the box again. Speechless. Okay, another fate for us. Okay, so I'm gonna prepare for another stream with my VIP members. So if you want to continue the have stream with me, welcome to VIP Signal. Okay, and see you there. Thank you very much for joining with me today. And we have 2 scalping signals, more than 60 pips. Okay, that's a small gift for me in the Friday 13. Okay guys, thank you very much for your joining in, and see you next time on this Sunday. Okay, on this Sunday. And remember to subscribe my YouTube channel to receive the notification whenever I open the stream session. Okay, see you. Yes, Justin. Wow, are you late? Okay, you can join in my VIP live session. Okay, thank you. See you.